Hi everyone, Cataplan here. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve the Cerebral rings puzzle. I bought this long ago and I did not have idea how to do it. I think I separated once before and then I said let me try and do it again and find how many possible solutions I have. They said a few different things. So I found information. I was able to find a clue and a formula to do it very quick and easy, so not a lot to remember. But let's start first. Just to give some information, it was manufactured in 1989 by McNiff. Also, another basic information is like it has 6 stacks of rings or circle, whatever. It has 6 red buttons. Is in 3 vertical positions. It has 3 vertical positions to solve it that you need to know. It separates in 3 sections, so actually this splits in 3. It has 729 combinations, possible combinations that you can try to solve this, but again, only 8 of those are the real solutions out of 729. So let's go and start giving a little tips for the vertical positions. So I'm gonna show you here in the screen. So this on top, it will be the number 1 position. So if I take it down a little bit more, well, that one it gets stuck. Yeah, this thing gets stuck a lot. So if I put it in the middle, so that will be position number 2, you see. Also here's halfway through. So it doesn't touch the bottom, so that's position number 2, and then all the way down is position number 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 vertical positions available for this. Okay, so now looking around, I found the 8 possible solutions, and I'm gonna show you right here with numbers. So it's position 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or whatever. So all these possible solutions, all the 8 ones, then I noticed that the number 2, it was in the same position all the time. So if you take that and lower it down to do one only calculation, we get this 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So what does that mean in the puzzle? So I'll show you right now. So that will mean that this one, well, at least 3 of this, it will be number 2. This one, or this one, or it can be this one, this one, this one. So you're making a triangle with 2's. So 2's, you're gonna put them in the middle and trying to solve it and trying to see if that's a solution. That's a simple way to try to do. So we put 2 of them, or 3 of them in the middle. And these ones, the other 3, it can be either in 1 or 3. So it will matter if it's 1 or 3. And that will help you to solve the problem. But again, you can try now to do it like this. And this is not going to separate. So what happened? Well, that's not the correct combination of them. Because it has to be, the other ones has to be, this one has to be the 2's. And this one has to be the 1's or the 3's. So I put them up. This one in the middle. And if you try to separate them, it's a little bit hard to do. And there we go. So you have that. So, but I have another quick tip of how to find out which one goes 2 and which one goes 1 or 3. So let's put this together to show you how to put it together. Well, usually since you have it in the same place, you just look for the 2 and make sure you have 4 of them. This way it's going to be making 5, so it's not like that. Sorry. There you go. Here. So this way it's going to make 4. So 4, you have 4. And then you hold it. And this other one will go right here. But then you have to loosen up a little bit all of them because if not, you're not going to be able to push them in. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky, so you have to know what to do a little bit. So try to open them a little bit, and little by little start squeezing all together, and there we go. You have it there. So how to know which one are the ones that it has to be for the solution, which one is 2 and which one is 1. Oh, it doesn't matter which side you do it, it's going to be always the same result. So the only tip I have to give you to know which one is 1 and 2, so look for the divisions. You know, when I separated them, 2 of them were in the top, and there's a separation right here. There's a line right here. I don't know if you can see it. That separates. There's nothing here. You see, you cannot separate them here. It separates right here, and right here. So you have 3 of them that you can separate from. So get them the 2 that are together. Ignore this and keep these 2 down together, and then what you're going to see, as you see in the picture, this is going to be 1 or 3 and this is 2. So 1, 2. That's how you know. So separate this from the separation. So this one should be in 2, and this one on the left side, it should be 1 or 3. It doesn't matter which one, it's still going to work. So let's put it down, and that 3. So now you rotate it to that second one, and the same thing, 2, and push it down, and the same thing here, 2, push it down, or 1 or up, it doesn't matter, and then separate them again, and there you go. Very simple. I don't know if that's easy for you or not, but I like it like this. Was the only way to find something simpler. Also, a little quick tip: if these things are very loose, like sometimes you will have this one on the middle, you have to have this one always in the middle. Just take it out and change it with another one that it gets stuck, because the one in the middle, you have to keep it there. If you don't keep it there, always it's going to fall down all the time, like this one. It's very loose, so I put it like always. If I can put it all the way down, so I don't have problem. This one gets stuck a little bit, so it's good for the second place. So let's put it back together. So making that, I have to do like this, but then I have to open them a little bit, open it out. There we go, a little bit open, and then you start squeezing, and there we go. So there you go. Quick, simple solution to do this, and hopefully you like it. If you like my video, so click like, and also subscribe if you want to get more videos. I usually do Rubik's Cube also, so if you have questions or something like that, or you want me to solve any puzzle, I'll try to find it. If I have it, I'll do it, and I'll give you a video as well. All right, thank you, bye bye.